guys, my name is Cake. Welcome back to our channel. Cake and Candy Vlog. So Candy is not with me today because she just woke up. Last night she slept at 1 a.m.
Oh no!
So she didn't woke up. So we're gonna do an experiment. No, science experiment that we saw on YouTube. So it's called pepper and salt science experiment. So let's try. So first we put in the water. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Now it's time for the pepper. Put the pepper in the water. Okay. This is not the pepper we see in YouTube. Good?
Good. More.
Keep it down.
Okay.
Okay, good. Oh my gosh. So when we put in, you see the pepper stick to my hand. So now we're gonna put the soap in the smaller bowl. I'm gonna put in my hand, put a lot. Now let's see. Oh!
Wow.
Oh my god! Look at the pepper! It scared me. It's worked! It worked! Now you're quarantined because coronavirus. So if you're bored at home, you should try it. It's really fun. I want to do it again. See you guys later. Bye! And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Bye!